again, people. I'm fixing this this is a little hose washer. Okay? Get these for maybe, I don't know, 50 cents, 75 cents. This little tray here that holds your soap and junk and your shower knife. If you have a this thing hooks up on here, and it always slides down. As you get things in and out of it, it slides down and falls, and I'm always adjusting it back. And you know what? I put a stinking hose clamp right there, so now it can't fall forward anymore. This thing's been bugging me for 2 years. Kept sliding off. I'd get something to slide forward. I'd have to push it back. It'd slide forward. So when you put it on, make sure you put the screw part on top, just like I did there. Get it over the pole, tighten it up, and this thing will never fall off again. I know I can't be the only one that has that issue, but if I am, well, then ignore the video. If it ain't, enjoy it. We'll leave that there.